Did you know that anyone can simply add /wp-admin to your WordPress website URL and access the admin login page? Hiding the WordPress admin login URL is a smart security measure to protect your site from unauthorized access and brute force attacks. Let me show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. Here, on my website, when I type /wp-admin, it redirects to the WordPress admin login page. To change this, go to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins, add new plugin. Search for WPS Hide Login. It's a plugin with over 1 million active installations. Simply install and activate it. Once activated, go to Settings and click on WPS Hide Login. Here, you can change the admin login URL to something others can't predict. I'm adding secret login. You can also set where users are redirected if they try to access /wp-login.php or wp-admin. By default, it's set to a 404 page, but you can redirect them to any page you want, such as the home page or blog page. Once you've done, click Save Changes. Now let's test it. When we type /wp-admin, it redirects to our 404 page. If we try /wp-login.php, it shows an error message saying the page doesn't exist. Finally, when we go to our hidden login URL, /secret login or whatever you set, it takes us straight to the login page where we can securely log in to the WordPress dashboard. By hiding your admin login URL, you've added an important layer of protection to your site. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks. Thank you.